Okay, so we've got the extra high tension, okay, and because of that, we're using the shrouded cables, right? But we've got a bit of a problem. Shrouded all the way, hang on, and then it's actually touching the metal. So we've got to be a bit cautious when it comes to touching those metal. So a bit of oil. Okay, so we've got that, and I'm going to sprinkle just some very light seeds that allows, just some seeds to allow it to float so we could see the fields, okay? 1, 2, what's the voltage we got to? 0.9. This is around 1000 volts, and look at it, look at it, look at it. Come closer if you can, guys. We can now see the actual lines that these electric fields are making. And what did we say about some of the rules? Can you see it's trying to do that 90 degrees? I brought the seeds alive, made them alive. All right, that's the first one. So what kind of field have we got here? A uniform field between two parallel plates. However, on the outside, you can see it's just a little bit curved. All right, on to the second one, all the way down. Oh, so what we've got here, we have got one of these. What kind of source is this? We've done this earlier in our question earlier. It's a point source, right? So if this is your positive, and then we've got what around it? If you can't see from there, this is what I'm trying to recreate. Either this being positive or negative, doesn't matter. The field pattern will be the same. You can't see the direction. And let's see. Is this on? This is on now. And onto very high voltage. Can we see that? Can we see that radial field? Yeah. Not perfect, but you could see the lines going out. So actually the center is positive. It's going from right from the center, radially out. Okay? So that's field number 2. What kind of field is this? Is this uniform or non-uniform? How do you know? As you go further away, what happens to the distance between the lines? They go further, right? So the lines are not equidistant. It's not a uniform field. It's a non-uniform field. And finally, the last one. On, and there you go. The next one. This is the one I'm going to ask you to draw in the next few minutes. This is better. This is much better. Are they straight? No, they're not. So can you see they still follow those rules that we've talked about? When it comes to touch the surface, what do? They hit it 90 degrees. Yeah? So when it comes to hit the plate, they're still hitting it at 90 degrees. But then from the other side, it's a point source. So the first one's going to do this. What about the second one? They need to hit it here at 90 degrees, so they have to curve. All we've got here, we've got a plate, and that's your point source. So if you do your 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, if you do the first one like that, the second one, it still has to hit it somewhere, and that's when it starts to curve, and that's what you're getting.